their gadgets, huh?
They look fun, though.
They do look fun. Mark Prater's here. You show me Tuscaloosa was under the gun of a storm. What else is happening tonight?
Well, we've got just scattered storms, otherwise just real hot. Hit 97 today in Birmingham, and that's the actual temperature, so heat index values made it even worse. Let's go ahead and take a quick look, though, outside. You'll see over downtown it looks fantastic. I mean, look at that. Lots of clear skies, plenty of sunshine, and we are hot. Temperature right now, 92. Feels like 95, though. Check out the dew point. It's down to 66, so that is a big difference compared to 76. In the dew point world, that is a large margin, so that's why it doesn't feel quite as hot around Birmingham at this point. But not everybody is as fortunate. It feels like 104 in Talladega, 111 in Alex City, and as I mentioned earlier, Hamilton, you're at 104, 107 for Tuscaloosa, and Aliceville, you're at 105. Now, these temperatures will be going down, but it's still going to be oppressive outside. Temperatures around Birmingham, slow to actually drop. That's just really the key. The cloud cover, it's really not going to be that bad. We will have what's left over of any showers or thunder showers that are in the area. Same for Tuscaloosa, but I'm not ruling out that shower or thunderstorm passing through Tuscaloosa as we go through the next 10 to 15 minutes. We'll see if it holds together. That's going to be the key. Temperatures, though, go from mid-90s on or at least the top of the hour back into the upper 70s, so that's a pretty decent drop for those of you in Calhoun County, and not a whole lot in the way of rain chances around Shelby County. Although our models, they have a tough time trying to pin down who's going to get rain and how much. So we have to wait until we see these storms start to pop up. And while it's, it's easy to do that, but realistically, we have to find the boundaries where these storms are being pushed up. Then they rain themselves out. But this one now in northeast Shelby County producing a decent amount of lightning. And then we also have the storms I was talking about earlier in Tuscaloosa. But let's talk about the one now moving through Harpersville. It is dropping towards the south, and it will affect places like Wilsonville within the next 17 minutes, Talladega in the next half hour. And then these particular cells here just north of Tuscaloosa will continue to track towards the south, and we will see it move through Holt, eventually Inglewood, and then the west side of this line, there's the boundary. This is really what fired it up, and that is now tracking towards the south as well. We'll see it moving through places like Ecola as well as Romulus, and then back into East Alabama. Not a whole lot of rain, but a few showers have been moving through southern Cherokee and Cleburne County. Here's the heat index for Saturday. Again, all of us pretty hot, but if we get showers and thunderstorms soon enough, that could help to squelch these numbers, which would be fantastic. But either way, where we're not looking at rain and thunderstorms, it is going to continue to be hot. Notice temperatures in the morning into the mid-70s, so pretty routine. Tomorrow, not a whole lot in the way of rain chances other than sporadic, but there will be a disturbance that moves our direction as we get into, or at least a boundary as we get into tomorrow evening. So rain and thunderstorms a better bet tomorrow night into Sunday, and still a decent shot at some rain, and finally a little cool.